What's up, guys? Superman Punch 42 and Dylan Bailey 07.
We got this on key. We doing the vlogs today. We got Superman Punch. We got Kitty with Pickaxe over there, and they got a surprise for me. They got candy. They want me to eat it.
Well, we're all eating it. A taste test.
A taste test. All right.
Ready?
We got this. Cometh to me. Meeth hungry. All right. First item is
Harry Potter candy slugs.
Harry Potter candy slugs. Okay. I'm a fan of Harry Potter.
Obviously, I am too, because I'm wearing the wand.
She's wearing the wand necklace. She got her meow thing.
Actually, I worked as a stylist for you.
Today's gonna be a good day. All right, we got this.
Hey, don't make a mess. Why do you like your teeth?
Oh, they smell good.
Well, it is candy slugs.
All right. Bro, come on. All right. There's this. You get a green one? You get a green one?
Here's the green.
And I get a green one. All right. 3, 2, 1.
Not bad. The texture kind of reminds me of, you know, those peanut candies.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
I give that one a 7 out of 10. Oh, the aftertaste is trash. Oh, no. I'm about to die.
Oh, I was gonna have a candy frog, you know, the chocolate frogs. But it's about to melt in the car, so I had to eat it.
Right, so we're having 2 views. Look at each other. It's a vlog and a vlog. Ha, vlog and vlog. All right. Next thing. I don't like that.
Yeah.
The aftertaste. Ah, his phone dropped.
Don't tell me that's another phone broken. Okay, he didn't break another phone. We're
You're
good.
still alive.
He said, "Yay!" But all right. What else did you get? Harry Potter slugs. It has good taste to it, but it just has terrible texture at the end.
For me, that's a no-go.
That's an A. Okay. Ooh.
I didn't know we were going
I'll
to
read
this
it,
again.
I'll read it. Okay, these are Harry Potter beans. And
Harry Potter fans, die hard.
here are the flavors. Banana, black pepper, blueberry, booger, candy floss, cherry, cinnamon, dirt, earthworm, earwax, grass, green apple, marshmallow, rotten egg, sausage, lemon, soap, tutti frutti, vomit, and watermelon.
So basically, being boozled.
Yeah, but Harry Potter is probably like the very first Bean Boozled.
So the first ever Bean Boozled, you heard it here. Harry Potter.
It looks like it's in a cigarette packaging.
I would rather go for green apple, blueberry, or watermelon. Try to give me the watermelon.
Okay, how about I'll just close your eyes and like grab a bean.
Oh God. Okay, we're gonna do the random challenge. We got this. If I vomit, tell my mom I love her.
No, you don't.
Shut up. I do.
Okay, you just spit in this Hot Topic bag. It's terrible.
Hot Topic. Shop there.
Not sponsored.
Non-sponsored. It's copyright.
Hot,
Bleep. No, I'm just kidding.
Hot Topic's my life.
But if they do try to take down my video, it's bullcrap. All we did was show off their merchandise.
Actually, I didn't get Harry.
You get a Hermite? The Hello
Yes.
Panda?
I got this from Hot Topic.
Nice! chickeny. All right. So on with the Bean Boozled. Fuck, I hate Bean Boozled.
You hated it?
Okay.
Get that box, because I'll be able to spit easier in that.
You just open it up.
Just grab it.
Well, isn't it messy?
And he has something, and I have something.
This is thin. It can leak
I go.
through.
No,
Ow.
it can't. But all right, it's cardboard. Come in. We got a special guest. Come here.
Come here.
Black Chiller?
What is that?
Don't come in if you don't want to be in the video.
What's up, Black Chiller?
What's up, homie? We're doing the Bean Boozled challenge. We got this. It's the
Hey.
first ever Bean Boozled
Let me
challenge.
get my camera. Quick, try this.
All right, on video.
Or trying, like, foods. Those are good.
Wait for the aftertaste. Wait for the aftertaste. Just keep going. Keep going.
It's not really aftertaste. It's like aftertaste with you.
The aftertaste has a terrible texture.
Not really.
Go get your phone. All right. So, what we're gonna do? I got the red one. What are the two out of them? Oh no!
What?
He might have got spoiled milk or rotten eggs.
No, there's
Banana or something?
Wait, here's a white one. No, look. Look at the white one. It's like that one.
Oh.
Shh. All right.
You guys don't want a good one.
No, she randomly picked. All right, look at me. Aw. You either got green apple or
No, this
burgers.
is grass.
Oh yeah.
This is straight up grass.
Wait, what's mine? Mine's a red. Oh, I got cherry. Woo!
There's cinnamon.
I don't like cinnamon. All right, what's up, guys? Welcome.
Wow.
Welcome to our channels.
Epic voice crack.
I know my voice cracks all the time. Well, I got this one. All right,
Oh, after this, me and Noah might do a reaction video.
it's cinnamon.
I don't want
Randomly choose.
I don't want to eat mine. I can't.
You don't want to eat yours?
Eat yours, Noah. Go ahead.
You don't want to eat yours.
Oh wait,
I don't want
yours
to eat
is brown, right?
Exactly.
No. It's like reddish.
Oh, you got dirt
Dirt.
or sausage, one of the two.
Take dirt. I got dirt.
What? Oh my
We all
god,
got
that's
sausage.
terrible. I need to use this.
All right,
Yeah, grass doesn't taste that bad.
3.
Sausage.
All right, get him. Get the. All right, 3,
Okay, never mind. Take back.
2,
Still gonna eat it.
1, go.
Sausage tastes nasty.
You have earwax.
They just changed his view on it. He's like,
He's like, wait a minute. What does this taste? Oh yeah, it's earwax.
okay, the grass doesn't taste that bad, but it also tastes bad at the same time.
The cinnamon is what I got. We'll do a whole video on this. We'll do a whole video on tasting all of these. Did you get anything else?
Huh?
Did you get anything else?
Well, I ate the Hello Panda, so.
Them are the best Chinese candy ever, and you had to take them from me. You never shared them. You ate them all to yourself.
Well, if you would have showed up, I want a divorce.
I was here. Yeah, I was here too. You should have saved some.
I
dropped it off.
Well, that's it for this little vlog testing.
I had grass.
She ate grass. He had earwax, and he had dirt.
The grass kind of
He had
tastes
sausage.
fruity for a second, but then it tastes like grass.
He had sausage. It was one of the two. But we'll do a whole video on this Bean Boozled stuff. Oh my god, they fell out. On the Bean Boozled
This
stuff.
one looks like an actual slug.
That one looks like a real slug. But thank you guys for watching. If you liked it,
Oh my god, this one's
hit that like
fragile.
button.
It's got fragile.
Yeah, they can just break off really easy. Well, anyways, if you guys want me to do a gameplay on like The Escapist or something, maybe Overwatch, because I got that game until Friday.
Pear. Crap, I hate pear.
Yeah. You want us to do anything, hit the like down below. Tell us what to do, and bye.